Now let's see how to add the GitHub pat token in the Jenkins. You can go to the manage Jenkins here. Under security, you can go to the credentials and simply click on the global, click on add credentials, and here you need to specify what kind of credential it is. For GitHub pat, you need to select the first option, username with password, and here you can provide the GitHub account username, and you can select this checkbox if you want to treat the username as a secret. And here you can provide the pat, that is the personal access token of the GitHub. Then so this ID will be generated by the Jenkins later, and here you can provide the proper description. By using this description, you can pull the GitHub credentials in the while creating the Jenkins job.